Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to continue working in a nonfiction book. I'm going to read you Ladybugs, Fun Facts for Kids, and your job will be to think about the story and be able to answer some questions. So that retelling hand that I showed you on Monday, thinking about some facts you remember about ladybugs. Okay, let's get started. There are about 5,000 different species of ladybugs in the world. These much-loved critters are also known as lady beetles or ladybird beetles. They come in many different colors and patterns, but the most familiar in North America is the seven-spotted ladybug, with its shiny red and black body. In many cultures, ladybugs are considered good luck. Most people like them because they are pretty, graceful, and harmless to humans. But farmers love them because they eat aphids and other plant-eating pests. One ladybug can eat up to 5,000 insects in its lifetime. Depending on the species, they can have spots, stripes, or no markings at all. Seven-spotted ladybugs are red or orange with 3 spots on each side and one in the middle. They have a black head with white patches on either side. Ladybugs are colorful for a reason. Their markings tell predators, "Eat something else. I taste terrible." They also play dead to protect themselves from predators. Ladybugs are happy in many different habitats, including grasslands, forests, cities, suburbs, and along rivers. Ladybugs are most active from spring until fall. When the weather turns cold, they look for a warm place to hibernate, such as in rotting logs, under rocks, or even inside houses. The scientific name for a ladybug is a Coccinellidae. That was a hard one, which means little red sphere. When a ladybug flies, it beats its wings more than 85 times per second. A female ladybug lays about 1,000 eggs in her lifetime. Ladybugs smell with their feet and antennae. A ladybug cannot chew up and down like people do. They chew from side to side. The spots on a ladybug fade as they get older. Female ladybugs are larger than male ladybugs. Ladybugs generally complete their life cycle within 1 year. Okay, so your job after reading this, you can always listen again. That's a great strategy for going back and okay, so a great strategy for thinking about reading nonfiction books is to go back into the story and reread. So you can go back and listen to the story. But your job today will be to answer questions on this page that you'll find in the Google Classroom. So the main idea of the story is all about butterflies. True or false? There are only 50 kinds of ladybugs in the world. Was that true or is that false? And you can always, again, go back into the story and listen again. Why are ladybugs considered good luck? Check all that are true. So you might be checking more than one. Ladybugs can play dead to protect themselves. Is that true or false? Ladybugs can be found only in winter. True or false? Ladybugs smell with their noses. True or false? And ladybugs can have which of the following? And then you would check as much that you think are true. All right. So again, boys and girls, make sure if you need to go back into the book and go back through, you can move the recording back and forth. If you need to go to a certain page, you can adjust the recording as you're looking at it. If you forget what maybe one of the facts was, it might help you as you're going through and as you're listening to read it again and then go through this kind of our hand and kind of, you know, saying those facts again to yourself. That might help keep them in your head. But that is your job today is to be thinking about the ladybugs and then answering those questions. Now, this was different than our story from on Monday. This story was just about ladybugs. The story on Monday was about all different kinds of bugs. All right, great job, everybody.